In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tracking categories in Xero. If you're using Xero for your accounting needs, setting up tracking categories can be a valuable tool. It helps you track specific items or activities so you can generate specialized reports and make informed decisions. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to access your Xero account. Head to the Xero login page, which you can easily find by entering Xero login in your web browser's search bar. Go ahead and click on the login button and you will be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you have this information handy beforehand. After inputting your credentials, click on the login button again and you should be directed to your Xero dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, the next step is to click on the accounting tab. You should find this option in the main navigation bar at the top of the page. After clicking it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose Advanced. This will take you to a more detailed section of Xero that offers various advanced settings. In the Advanced section, look for the option labeled Tracking Categories. This is where we will be focusing. Click on this option and it will take you to the page where you can manage your tracking categories. If you haven't set any categories up yet, you'll need to click on the option to Add Tracking Category. At this point, you'll be prompted to create a name for your new tracking category. Take a moment to consider what you'd like to name it, as this name will help you identify the category easily later on. Once you've entered a name for your tracking category, the next step is to add options to it. These options can be considered subcategories or specific items you want to track within the main category name. You can add as many options as needed, so feel free to be detailed if it will help enhance your reporting. After you've finished adding all of your options, review your entries and ensure everything is correctly listed. If everything looks good, the final step is to click on the Save button. This will save your new tracking category along with its options, making it ready for use in your account. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up tracking categories in Xero. By following these steps, you can effectively create and manage categories that suit your reporting needs, thereby gaining more insights into your financial activities. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more useful accounting tips and guides.